Oh, hey, didn't see you there. My name's Fritz with Axiom, and I'm here today to talk about this month's Axiom Presents video, Treston Workstations. Are your workstations very unorganized and you just can't seem to find what you're looking for? Or are your workers experiencing back pain and fatigue from non-adjustable work environments? Or how about here with Calvin? Are your workers having the same types of material accessibility challenges, causing them to spend precious time away from their workstations and hindering their productivity? Oh, Calvin. Well, if you answered yes to one or more of these questions, it's time for a new workstation. But what workstation should you get? Treston. Treston is among the world's leading supplier in industrial furniture and workstations. So when they design the workstations, they have the person that's going to be operating at the workstation in mind. So they definitely pay attention to ergonomics, functionality, and efficiency. Hey Calvin.
Hey Kyle.
Treston workstations are very customizable to every application and worker, which is really important when you have multiple shifts. There's so many different applications that you can add to the Treston workstation. Bin storage, perforated panels so you know where all the tools go at all times, and the best part is everything is within arm's reach. Another thing that you can add is articulated panels where you can store tablets and computers. It's an all-in-one workstation, so you can really customize it to the way that you want it.
Hey Kyle.
Hey, what's up?
Didn't Treston used to be GWS, then Savella?
You're exactly right, Esau. They've been around for quite a while. And they're also manufactured in the great country of Finland. Treston is a workstation you can count on for quality, customization, and efficiency. When you're thinking workstations, think no further than Treston. Treston.